Although there's tons of great features in Kipware Conversational, in this video we are going to outline the top 5 superpowers of KipwareT as told to us by our clients. Our clients have told us that these features are the top ones that really set KipwareT apart and make it their favorite CNC code generating tool. Number 1 is Cycle Recall. In KipwareT, users create cycles using conversational screens for each operation required to machine the workpiece complete. Once a cycle is created, it can be easily recalled and any input changed or updated. With this feature, the user never even has to see the actual G-code if it's not desired. Everything can be programmed just using the conversational screen. Number 2, Format Options. In almost every conversational screen, the user has the option to select G-code generation in either a canned cycle or longhand G-code format. This greatly enhances compatibility with a wide variety of CNC controls, but also gives user the flexibility to use powerful canned cycle for Fanuc or Okuma machines. Number 3, Multi-diameter turning and boring. Our unique multi-diameter turning and boring menus gives users a powerful option to describe an unlimited number of diameters for turning or boring operations. Any corner can have any chamfer or radius, just enter the value, and chamfers can have any angle as described by the user. Machining can be executed through a turning motion or facing motion, and G-code can be in canned cycle or longhand G-code format. Number 4, On-the-fly plotting. The included KipwareTP can be invoked at any time to backplot a single cycle or all the cycles in the tree. KipwareTP is simple, quick, and gives users the on-the-fly capability to confirm the tool path, and cycles are what they envisioned. Plotting can be simple stick plots, or tools can be defined from a tool library. This option gives a more detailed plot when that's required. And finally, number 5, Grooving. KipwareT offers over 12 different grooving menus for OD, ID, and face grooving. We'll flash through the screens here, but notice the multitude of options available. From the ability to describe any chamfer or radius on any corner, to machining options like peck grooving, complete retraction, or simple cutoff motion, to even contouring with any chamfer or radius on any corner. KipwareT makes it super easy to machine any groove type, and shops tell us that the ability to do it all with just a simple square grooving tool is a huge money saver. KipwareT also offers many grooving options for grooves with radii, allowing for the use of any round insert grooving tool with any tool nose radius. Contour grooving for OD, ID, and facing is available with any corner having any user-defined chamfer or radius. There you have it, the top 5 superpowers of KipwareT, but KipwareT also has custom drilling menus, the ability to draw directly or import DXF files using the included sketchpad, and conversational options for live tool, Y-axis, and subspindle programming. If you are tired of overly complex and expensive cadcam, are looking to bring more people into the programming process, and are looking to get new clients through faster turnaround and increased output, Kipware Conversational should be on your radar. In CNC machining, the name of the game is creating G-code, and KipwareT helps anyone create G-code faster and easier than any other option on the market. Explore more and get all the details on Kipware Conversational at www.kipware.com.